folks, this is Alex speaking from All for Shooters. Beside me we have Nöth from HERA Arms. So I go to Triefenstein for a closer look behind the scenes at HERA Arms. So Thomas, what will we see today?
Well, first of all, thanks for coming by, Alex. Today we're going to take a closer look at our manufacturing, and we're going to start with some milling machines, especially 5-axis milling machines that are doing most of our parts. After that, we're going to take a closer look at our moldings. We have over 30 active molds running right now for our line of polymer products, and after that we're going to take probably some look at the engineering and testing facility.
So, this sounds really interesting, and so, let's start.
We changed the location. So Thomas, where we are?
Well, Alex, we are here at our molding department. Here we will see all the polymer parts from HERA, all the molds, and how it's going to be manufactured. And as the first example, behind me you're going to see the new mold for the H7 stock, which is brand new. It's a little bit surprising for most people to see how much work and how much engineering goes into sometimes really small parts. You cannot figure that out when you see it in the shop, but I think this is a perfect example. This mold weighs way over 1,000 kilograms, and at the end you're going to produce a part which is probably a couple of 100 grams. So yeah, that's what we are going to take a look at.
Next station, where we are?
Hi Alex, here we are at the manufacturing of our new H3L magazine. We are going to make this on a Kraus Maffei KM 110, and we are using the cycle time while the mold is being injected to actually make the magazine with the employee here right on the machine.
What is in the box beside you?
Well, these are the windows for our H3 magazine. They're going to be made prior to the magazine out of Macrolon, and these things are going into the bigger mold and being surrounded by the actual body of the magazine.
So Thomas, which station we here?
We are at our manufacturing with all our machinery. Basically, the question came up about that finger rest here. We are doing that in a simultaneously milling operation on a Milltap 700 from DMG, and this is what we're going to take a look at here.
And another step. So Thomas, where we are?
So Alex, we are still in our manufacturing. Here's our machine from DMU 50. It's a DMG, and we're doing uppers for our 762 system. And one of the biggest issues here is that you're making the straight hole and the upper rail in one operation. Also, the flattening of the surface here, because this is what it's going to give you a little bit extra accuracy. You're avoiding mistakes by taking the part over or turning it over, and yeah, that's how it's going to be made.
So, I hope you enjoyed the closer look behind the scenes at HERA Arms. So, Thomas, a very big thank you. It's really impressive and interesting how many work are in every part at HERA Arms, and also it's all made in Germany. So, stay tuned for some other news from HERA Arms, which will coming. And so, see you next time. You're Alex.